Hi friends, welcome to Subveggie. Today we are going to learn Sabudana Vada recipe. This light and crispy Sabudana Vada is not only fun to eat snack but also a preferred fasting food during fasting days and festivals like Navratri. This is also an easy kid snack that can be served in breakfast or packed in their lunch box. Here we learn how to make crispy sagu vada with this easy recipe. Now we'll see ingredients required. We need half cup sabudana, 2 large potatoes boiled, 1/4 cup peanuts roasted and coarsely crushed, 1 teaspoon sesame seeds, 1 green chili deseeded and finely chopped, and 1/2 tablespoon grated ginger, 1½ tablespoon coriander leaves finely chopped, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon sugar, salt, oil, and 1/3 cup water to soak sabudana. Now we'll see directions to prepare. Wash sabudana and soak them for 2½ hours in 1/3 cup water. Now you will notice size of sabudana ball would increase in couple of hours. And place them in sieve, drain excess water and keep aside for 1½ hours. This process will make them non-sticky. Now peel and grate boiled potatoes in a large bowl. Add drained sabudana, coarsely crushed peanuts, sesame seeds, green chili, ginger, coriander leaves, cumin seeds, garam masala powder, lemon juice, sugar and salt. All spices have to be added. Now mix all ingredients well and make a soft dough-like mixture. Divide it into 12 equal lemon-sized portions. Give them a round shape of ball and press a little between your palms and flatten like patty. If mixture is sticky, then grease your palms with a small amount of oil. Heat oil in the frying pan over medium heat for deep frying. When it is very hot, slowly slide 3 to 4 patties in it. When tops are west turn light brown, flip them and deep fry until golden brown on both sides. Drain prepared sagu vada and transfer them to a plate. Deep fry and prepare remaining vadas. Yummy, yummy. Crispy sabudana vadas are ready now. Serve them hot with tamarind chutney, spicy with green chutney, and crispy from outside and soft from inside vadas. Serve sabudana vada as fasting food during Vrats and fasting days and Navaratri days. And you can savor this light snack with the green chutney or mint chutney as an evening party snack. I hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.